A very good morning, dear learners. Here Sunil from Marvelous Classes. I appreciate your decision to boost your vocabulary. So let's begin. So today's first word is vague. This is an adjective and meaning that is not clear or definite. जो अस्पष्ट या अनिश्चित हो. Use to have a vague impression or to have a vague memory or to have a vague recollection of something. Another use, they had only a vague idea where the place was. There is another meaning of vague, of a person's behavior, suggesting a lack of clear thought or attention. किसी व्यक्ति से जुड़ा हुआ जिसकी सोच या समझ में स्पष्टता ना हो. Use his vague manner concealed a brilliant mind. So there are two meanings of vague. Abstruse. This is an adjective meaning difficult to understand. जिसे समझना कठिन हो, जो गूढ़ हो, जो जटिल हो. Use an abstruse argument. Reprimand. This is a verb meaning to tell somebody officially that you do not approve of them or their actions. गलत काम करने पर किसी की भर्त्सना करना, फटकार लगाना, औपचारिक रूप से. Use reprimand somebody for something. The officers were severely reprimanded for their unprofessional behavior. Another use, reprimand somebody for doing something. The judge reprimanded him for using such language in court. Whimper. This is a verb meaning to make low, weak, crying noises or to speak in this way. मंद स्वर में रोना, विशेषतः डर या दर्द के कारण. Use the dog whimpered softly. Another use, the child was lost and began to whimper. Straitjacket. This is a noun and meaning a piece of clothing like a jacket with long arms which are tied to prevent the person wearing it from behaving violently. So straitjackets are sometimes used to control people who are mentally ill. लंबी आस्तीनों वाली जैकेट जैसी पोशाक जो उग्र हो रहे व्यक्ति को नियंत्रण में लाने के लिए पहना दी जाती है. So here you can see the image of straitjacket. So it is used for controlling people who are mentally not stable. Another meaning, used in a disapproving manner, a thing that stops something from growing or developing. Use, the government has been caught in the straitjacket of debt. Another use, bureaucratic straitjacket. Thank you.